Deep in the shadows of the night, something lurks, something hungry. The Chupacabra, a terrifying creature feared across Latin America and beyond. Stories describe it as a small, reptilian beast with spines down its back and fangs that drain the blood of livestock. Farmers wake up to find their animals drained dry. No footprints, no signs of struggle, just 2 puncture marks on the neck. Some say it's an experiment gone wrong. Others, a vampire-like predator stalking the night. But what if I told you people still see it today? Do you believe in La Chupacabra? Let me know in the comments. And if you ever hear strange noises at night, you might not be alone.